G'day, this is Mr. Brown. We are today going to do the exam. This is the exam follow along. So without further ado, we're going to create a document in Onshape and we're going to call it exam document and then hyphen and then you're going to call it your name. So I'll call mine Mr. Brown and then click OK and just wait for Onshape to load up. We're going to put all of our drawings in the same document. Alright, so click front view and we're looking at this. Now the first thing that we're going to draw is this bearing housing. So we're going to start with this circle, do another circle, and then we're going to fill all the rest in. So if we come back here, we've clicked on front and we've clicked on front here, and now we want to put a sketch and click the front plane, so it's definitely front. We're going to grab up here a circle, make sure it says center point circle, click the dot, go out, and we're going to make this one 30, and then we're going to grab another circle, which it should already grab for you, go out, and then we're going to make this one 45. Okay, I'm going to grab a construction line, so I need to click line and construction line, and I'm just going to draw a line straight through the middle. So I'll press P on my keyboard to turn the planes off now. So can you see the line is horizontal and it passes straight through that origin point? That's what we're going to do. Then we're going to come up here and grab line, and we're going to click it so that both the outside circle and our construction line, our dotted line, are highlighted. And we're going to come straight down, and we'll come down. How far will we come down? About to the bottom of this circle, I reckon, is about a little bit further, sort of in the middle of this bit here. So straight down. Now there's two ways we could draw that line again, or we can come up here and go mirror. Our mirror line is our right plane. So if you come up here and select right and then click this line, you'll see that it drops straight down. Alright, next. The next thing that we're going to do is just sort of draw what we've got on our drawing. So if you have a look at our drawing, you'll see that we've done this top bit, we've done the center circle, and we've done the outside straight vertical lines. Now we kind of want to draw this flat section at the bottom. So we're going to grab our line, we're going to go straight out, down, don't worry too much about the measurements at the moment, down. If you highlight over this dot and come out, you'll see that it goes in perfect alignment, and you can get your vertical line too, and then just come straight across. Alright, fantastic. We're going to press D on our keyboard, and we're going to click this line. Now this is going to be 120. Don't worry if yours doesn't look exactly like mine, we're about to fix all that. Come up here and click point, and then look for on this bottom line, look for the square. So can you see the square? Click the square. Alright, now we're going to come up, grab a line and a construction line, click on our origin point, and then come straight vertically down and click the button. Lastly, on this section, we're going to come up here to coincident. This means touching. So we want this point and this line to touch. And that means that it's going to be in the middle of this 120. It'll be 60 on one side, 60 on the other. Alright. We're going to hit D on our keyboard again, click this line here, and we're going to make that 10, and you'll see the other one drops. Perfect. So we're looking pretty good. The only thing that we haven't done now is given a distance between this line and this line here. So that is going to be 20. All your lines at this point should be black. So have a close look at my screen. If they're not, pause the video and just have a look and make sure you've got all these numbers in the right places. Okay. There's just a couple of other things we need to do in the sketch. So we're going to come up here and go sketch fillet, and we're going to click this dot and this dot. That's the only two dots. We're going to hit enter, type 4, and click enter. So if I drag this out, you can see a little bit better. R just means radius. So from the center of the circle to the outside, shortest distance. And we're looking pretty good. So I just want to check that dimension is, oh, that's not right. I've made a mistake. When we come up here, this 45, just change that to 60. And that's 15, what it should be. Alright, looking good, looking good. Once we've got to this, so I'll just move that up there, and then if you want to pause the video, do it now so you can see. We're going to click the green tick. We're going to come up here to this little box, click isometric, come up here to extrude. We're going to extrude everything except for that middle circle. We're going to click symmetric, and we're going to make it, instead of 25, it's going to be 60. It's make sure it's a solid and a new part. Click the tick, and you are done. Fantastic. Well done. In the next video, we'll go through the disc brake.